Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make oden. I don't know you ever heard oden before. It's like a pot soup, usually share with family member or the friend on the table, and definitely wintertime food because it's hot and cooking on the table. The soup is making whole room warm. So this is a good party food in Japan. And nowadays, if you go to Japanese convenience store, they have oden whole year long. That's how much people like oden. And it is kind of difficult me to get all those ingredients, but I recently went to big Asian supermarkets and get some ingredients from there. So I will show you how to make this wonderful people favorite oden today. Couldn't find regular size daikon. This is Korean daikon, so I make daikon cut smaller. The reason of using rice water because make daikon color more white, and later the flavor gets inside better. And make daikons taste sweeter. You don't need to do this extra step. If you want to, you just cut the daikon and put in the other ingredients in the soup and cook with it. I hope you can find some ingredients from your neighbor store or closer Asian store. You don't need to put everything. I try to put as much as possible so you will see what is ingredients and what you need to put. And also, Oden is East Coast and West Coast is little different ingredients. I think now it's more mixing. Even Tokyo area, they have some stuff that's usually don't put it, but Tokyo area people put the Oden, the Kansai, that West Coast ingredients. Because in Japan they have 4 seasons, and Oden is definitely a winter food because it's warm and hot and soupy, and it's good to eat. So you get hot because eating hot food. I mean, hot means not the spicy hot. That's hot food, like soup. So it's winter food, but nowadays they carry the Japanese convenience store. Almost every convenience store carry Oden, and all those flavors are different. That's what I heard. I don't eat store Oden or the convenience store Oden. Of course, I'm living here, so it's difficult to access. But even I go back home, I don't really buy a convenience store Oden just because I want to make by my own. It's more safer, and just know what's in the soup, and just generally speaking, that's I can control what's inside. But they said they have a bunch of different flavors. Every store's good, and they are kind of competing of the flavors. But this is basic style. That's how to make Oden. Again, I like to pre-cook potatoes like daikon because potato usually tends to melt in the soup, and also that make soup not clear. I put here usukuchi, which is light color soy sauce, and regular soy sauce combined, but you don't need to, just put one of them. Now start putting all of the ingredients here. My favorite ingredient is probably daikon radish, and also hampen. Hampen is a little difficult to find in this country, in the United States. You may be able to find it. My close nearest Asian store, they don't have it, so I have to go to biggest around here Asian grocery store to purchase this one. So I'm not sure if you can get it or not, but usually the fish cake have their taste. If you cook in the soup, the flavor coming out from fish cake, that is the I believe that's the part of the Oden flavor. So it's necessary, something that you need to buy fish cake. I hope you enjoy my video today. I use lots of stuff that you may not recognize, and some stuff that I use to make oden. For the future, maybe you want to try, or if you go to Japan, you may want to try this food. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time soon again.